Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, I record. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are a new subscriber to Blender tutorials, 100 subscribers, let's go. Today I'm gonna show you cloud simulation. I am a Blender, as you can see. I have my fucking cube. So I'm gonna add Shift A on the mesh. I'm gonna choose plane. S and move the mouse to make it bigger, something like this. G, Z, and I'm gonna move the mouse to just position my plane above this cube. Of course, I'm gonna select this cube and S and scale by the mouse to make it a little bit bigger, because I wanna basically this plane collide with this fucking cube, yes, and this plane gonna behave like cloud. So I'm gonna show you how you can access cloud simulation. Just select your object. I'm gonna select this plane by the left click, go to this icon right here, okay, and you have the option right here, cloud. And if I'm gonna just click play, this basically doesn't collide with my cube, because we must add collision to this cube. This falling down because we have gravity right here on the Blender, but whatever. I'm gonna just go right here and I'm gonna select my cube by the left click, go to this icon and choose collision right here, boom. So if I'm gonna just click play, this basically just collide with my cube, as you can see, but this doesn't behave like cloud, yes. So what we must do, I'm gonna just click right here at the beginning, this is above, we must add more geometry. So I'm gonna subdivide this. So select this plane, I'm gonna go to the edit mode right here and right click and choose subdivide. I'm gonna open this and maybe subdivide this by 50 times and click enter, and right here I'm gonna change this to object mode. If I'm gonna just click play, this basically just behave like cloud, as you can see, yes. But you have more options right here, okay, on this icon. You have, of course, the quality. This is the quality and the speed, the vertex mass, how much weight this basically is, yes, and another options like tension and whatever, and dropping. But I want to show the cache right here. You have the cache. I'm gonna just open this, and you can basically bake this simulation, yes, this falling down this plane to this fucking cube. You can bake this, and Blender don't gonna calculate this when you're gonna just click render animation, yes, if you're gonna just adjust some scene, and it's gonna basically render faster. So you have the bake, and now Blender calculates this, and if you're gonna just click render, it's not gonna calculate this. I hope you get the idea. So you have right here the start and end frame, of course, and right here you have the start and end frame too. But if I'm gonna just adjust right here the end frame, maybe on the 100 and whatever, this doesn't change right here. So always remember to change right here start frame and end frame. I'm gonna change this maybe to something like this and click play. Wait guys, click fucking play. Okay, so maybe something like frame 67 or whatever. I'm gonna just click right here 67, and you can click right here bake. You can double click right here to name this. I'm gonna name this one, okay, and click bake. And as you can see, this basically just calculate. You have right here how many memory it takes, and you have right here too, yes, to see how Blender calculate this. And if I'm gonna just click right here at the beginning and click play, I have smooth 25 FPS, yes, to play this fucking smoothie, if that makes sense, because Blender calculates this shit. I hope you get the idea. You can do multiple bakes. So you can, of course, click right here plus and double click and maybe change the name, something like this. And you can, of course, change the setup, maybe the quality, vertex mass, and whatever. And you can once again click bake, okay. You're gonna have two different bakes, and you basically just select this bake and click play. This is gonna behave like this. And if I'm gonna just select this, yes, and change this whatever, and if I'm gonna just click bake, yes, and change the behavior and the mass, I can preview this right here too. So select right here whatever bakes you want to have different testing results or whatever. I hope you get it. So there is that, guys. I want to show you right here. You have the cloud, and you have right here the icon, and you have 5 options, yes. So if I'm gonna just click cotton, I have this option, yes, as you can see, the mass, vertex, whatever. If I'm gonna just select the second one, This vertex mass just changing, quality is changing. Shut up, dog. So basically everything is changing, yes, guys. So you have 5 options right here to test and to have different behavior, of course, yes. Rubbery, slick, and cotton, whatever. And this basically just change everything, yes. I'm sorry for the noises, whatever. I record this not in my fucking house. And so you have right here, as you can see on this icon, 5 options. Now, what I want to show you, I'm going to rotate this plane. So I'm going to just select this plane, click N, and I'm going to rotate this right here. And I'm going to just click play. Basically, the performance is shitty. And this basically collide, yes? But I want to show you, you have self-collision right here on these fucking options. And I want to show you basically how this works, yes? Right here, the collisions, if you're gonna just open. So I'm gonna just edit this. So I'm gonna select this plane, go to the edit mode, and select some vertices right here, maybe something like this, and move those vertices by G, something like this, yes, create, and I'm gonna just select this stuff and G and move this around, yes, whatever, something like this. And I'm gonna go to the object mode. So I'm gonna just travel just to show you closer, yes, of course. Okay. And I'm gonna just click play. Basically, this doesn't collide with their self, yes. I'm doing very bad with the edit, yes, but I hope you get the idea. You have right here collisions, and you have the distance, basically. So this is the distance how the collision is gonna take place. If I'm gonna adjust this maybe to 0.6 and click enter, basically this plane gonna collide with 0.6 meter with this cube, if that makes sense, above this. I hope you seeing this. Wait, guys, because this is fucking shit. I hope you seeing this flying in the fucking air. Yes, as you can see, this is not touching the fucking cube. As you can see, this is 0.6 meter, yes, because I'm adding the distance between collisions. So we can adjust the distance, of course, right here. And you can add the vertex group, of course, and collections, if you know what I'm talking about. And you have right here self collisions. But if you're gonna just apply this, this basically just collide with this fucking mesh within selves, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna maybe adjust the rotation. Wait, guys, because fuck this. Whatever. I hope you get it, the idea. You have fucking self collision, and if you're gonna just apply this, you have the distance, of course, and the friction. You can add vertex group, and you have the distance. This distance basically right here, you have the parameter too, and this basically just collide with this fucking mesh with each other, if that makes sense. If I'm just place this correctly, yes, with good rotation and whatever, adjust this fucking size, this shape, this basically just collide with each other if I'm gonna just add self collision, but it's gonna take longer time to Blender to calculate this shit. I hope you get it, the idea. Fuck this tutorial. I record this not in my house, so sorry, guys. Yeah, this is that, guys. Thank you for watching. Fuck this tutorial. Fuck my life. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.